Also, I ordered the tail light, so it should be in the way. And that bumper was the bumper was $200, and that one was $130. The lower balance plus super overnight shipping. But I'm still waiting for more parts. These are the first two parts that arrived. Okay guys, so this is where we're at with on the edge. So I've been kind of busy. Didn't have that much time to be recording, but I got the brand new tail lights and the rear bumper and the lower balance installed. I got the bumper reinforcement underneath installed also. I'm waiting on the sensors and all the plastics, all the panels that go on that side, this side, floor, and all these plastics that go all around here. That's gonna be a lot more expensive than fixing the actual damage. Bumper reinforcement, because if the bumper reinforcement was only $89, you know, that inside it's super expensive. That's gonna take most of the money. The bumper's in place. I'm waiting for the paint, so I'm gonna paint the rear bumper also. I'm leaving the lower balance black to match the whole trim around the car. And I went for automotive touch-up paint again. I really liked the way the Kia turned out. Despite at first me thinking that, you know, it didn't match pretty good, they actually did match them pretty good. And I didn't get nothing from them, so don't think that I'm getting free stuff from them. That's why I'm telling you guys that they did a good match. Remember at first, Paint Scratch did a really good job on the Chevy Cruze, and then I tried automotive touch-up paint. Because they're a bit cheaper, so save me some money and try it and let you guys know what's good for you guys and for me. So yeah, automotive touch-up paint did a good job matching it. I'm waiting on their paint. I read what was that, Friday or Saturday last week, so, and they're telling me it's gonna arrive tomorrow. So actually today on this last purchase from them, they were really quick. They were super quick actually. So yeah, waiting on that. Gonna paint the bumper. I also need to get this molding back here. It's just a matching molding that's got the Ford logo, and underneath got the rear view camera. Honestly, I think this is just for the black plastic to hold the license plate. I'm also missing all the interior panels. This should be here any day, and I still need to get the little motor for the wiper, for the rear wiper, and the wiper itself. Got the the Sentra. And if you notice, I don't have the W211 anymore. Got rid of that. I had too many cars. So I'm replacing the W211 with this. My wife liked it, so cool. Started cleaning it. Not the front side, but we cleaned the rear seats. I don't know if you can tell the difference from that to this. The seats actually look pretty new. They had a dog back here, because you can see all the hairs, like I said earlier. So that's why it's super dirty. So yeah guys, Just a quick update on the Ford Edge. The lights are pretty cool. They're LEDs. I'll show you guys later on when I have the battery hooked on. So yeah guys, what do you guys think? I like it. Let me know what do you guys think about it. How is it turning out? And see you guys in the next video.